Hello, welcome back. It's your woman Angela K.O.D. We are still in Ghana and today we are making goat pepper soup, Kaalomo or aponche mpusu. Come with me and let's make this delicious soup. But if you're new to this channel, guys, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers, Team Angela K.O.D. This kiss is for you and everyone watching my videos. Thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys. Always come along. Thank you. Come with me and let's do this together. By the way, share my videos with your friends and family. Hit the notification bell. Like the video. Leave me a comment below because your comment means a lot to me. Thank you. Let's get into the video. For our ingredients, we have our goat meat. As you can see, the goat meat here, this part of the goat meat, it's only men. There's only men that eat this one. Everybody can see what I'm talking about. Me person me body, but will be able to person me chewy. We a member party, member kwane we sa part way. I just say Nancy na me say me kuma delay. Anti fear delay eka so ba besia or we member yi. It will be at the aponchi. It will be at the me person me chewy. We need our goat meat and we have our ginger, some garlic, fresh tomatoes, onions, shallots, peppers, stock cube, and salt to taste. So these are the ingredients we'll be needing for our pepper soup or goat meat pepper soup or our kaalomo or our mpusu. Into part where we don't have to cut it. Just leave it like that. We are not the American so brown so we are Bema so we are not why you want it. It's so fresh. The video will be coming very soon, guys. And now we're really super fresh. So these are the benefits you get in Africa. Wow, cocoon nama, and then nama you ship freezer beer. Wow, cocoon so this is some of the benefits you get here. You go and just choose your own goats. They'll kill it for you and then they'll also dress it and bring it home. Salt is always to your taste. This type of pepper soup, you really need a lot of chopped onions. Really a lot. So chop your onions into pieces. We still add some chopped shallot also. And as I said earlier on, a member part now you really need to, if you don't have a husband, just give it to your brother or your neighbor man. Or if you have a husband, give it to your husband. But me, I have a husband, so my husband is going to enjoy that for me. And so one can also a bema the another one are very wild. Into no kuma fear delay or no one very nadi. For more flavors, I'm going to blend ginger, some shallot, ginger and garlic and add it to the meat. Let's go ahead and add our blended ginger, shallot and garlic for more flavors. Always important. I'm not going to add any water to the meat. I'm going to use the ginger, the juices from the meat to steam it. So after it has been steamed, then I will add water to it. So we'll cover it on a high heat and then come and lower the heat later. Let's check on how our goat meat slice soup or ponche kakra is doing. Guys, look, the flavors here is heavily, as I always say. And yes, some ketchup. So I'll go ahead and add some water to it. And I'll stir everything in and cover it up. Let's taste for salt and see the tenderness of the meat. Alright, it's really a little bit tough, so we still need it to tender a little bit. But with goat meat pepper soup, you really need your meat to tender first, because when we blend the ginger and we blend the onions and the pepper and the tomatoes, really within 5 minutes it's ready, because we need the freshness of the vegetables in this soup. That's why we call pepper soup and asem umpuso. So we still have to wait for this meat to tender a little bit before we add our veggies. Let's check on our meat. As you can see, it has really tender, and the flavors here are heavily. So I'm going to blend my veggies and I'll put them in this sauce, and then it's ready. This type of pepper soup needs a lot of pepper, but this is a Ghanaian pepper soup, but the Nigerian one doesn't have tomato in it. It's only we Ghanaians that add tomatoes, but Nigerians, they only use pepper for their pepper soup. But we Ghanaians, we add 1 tomato or 2, or just a little tomato with about pusu. Let's go ahead and add our blended veggies to our. So I'll go ahead and add just a little bit of water. I'll stir everything in and taste for salt. I need a little bit of salt. But I will leave it for now. When it boils over, then I can really taste if I have to put more or not. Our soup is ready. We are going to put on the fire and then we'll go and serve. I'm going to serve the impuso or the goat meat pepper soup with infante dokono. That is what my husband is going to eat with it. So if you haven't watched, I have a video on how infante dokono or intel was made. So if you haven't watched the video, please check out that video. Thank you. Look, guys, yeah, Ghana. On Angela K on this channel. Let's dig in our soup, our apunchi, pusu, and serve. Mema nam papa no. Any auntie fear delay Sunday on or no. Akuma any the flavors ya bunch the flavors the crown punya agro. Our pepper soup is ready, guys. Just have a look. Our pepper soup is ready, and he's going to enjoy it with fanti kenke or dokono. Thank you so much for coming with me to make this delicious goat meat pepper soup or mpusu. But if you are new to this channel, guys, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers and everyone watching my videos, thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys always coming along. Thank you so much, and may the good Lord richly bless you. Thank you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye from Ghana. Bye. Adios. Kiss.